Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Today we are going to be doing our Birchbox unboxing. I have had this probably for almost 2 weeks now, and I did not film it because I was waiting for the other boxes to come so I could film it. You know, I do work retail and I work in a seasonal area, so it is very, very busy. So I try to get everything done on my days off. Anyway, this is so they've rearranged the box now. You were supposed to get 6 products in here, and they raised the price now, and they said that they are going to be doing more. So I pay $13 a month for this box, but I think new subscribers are now at $15 for this box. So it all depends on when you signed up for it or whatever. I have not seen too much from Birchbox, how they promise things are getting better. I can't complain for $13. I mean, I do get some really good things in here. And I have, like, the past 3 months been doing the picks where you can pick what product you want. And I do know that there is a lip gloss in here from MAC because I did pick that. So there alone, that's worth the $13 for me. So, like I said, I'm not complaining. And another thing that I noticed a couple months ago that Birchbox does is they always write something cute for your name. And this month it says the ambitious Mandy Miller. So that's kind of cool. So when you open it up, very summery looking box, very cute. Let's see. I like it. I like the box. I love these boxes. Last month it was like a pull out, kind of like a jewelry box. This month, back to the old one. So you open it up. That is what I see in yellow, very bright and summery. And it tells you things about each product on the back, and I'm guessing the theme just says love you, and then it says, I became proud of the shape and size of my small breast when I recognized during my pregnancy that I was capable of sustaining life. Now I'm much less inclined to hide that part of myself. Okay, so I don't know if that's supposed to be the theme of the box or whatever. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what I see when I open my box, a little sneak peek for you. And there is 20% off discovery kits and limited edition boxes code. And let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to pull out the lip gloss because that's what I picked. And it is, does it say? It doesn't say what shade it's in. Oh, yes, it does. Okay, full size of this is $17.50, and the full sizes are actually not, I mean, here's a full size one, and then I'll pull this one out so I can show you the difference here. I enjoy MAC's lipstick products. That's why I do like to pick products from the box that, you know, so that I at least know that I'm getting one good thing out of the box. Sorry, I'm wiping off a swatch that I did earlier, so you guys don't have to look at that. All right, so here is the mini one, and then here is the full-size one, which, I mean, okay. So this is, does it say how many? It doesn't say the weight on this. I'm sure it did on the box, but the weight on this is 0.08 ounces for that. Okay, so again, the shade PRRR. This jojoba oil infused gloss is a shimmering pinky peach shade, lends a subtle sheen or a high shine finish with just a few extra layers. Wear it alone or over lipstick. I love MAC's lip gloss smells. So that is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. I'm glad I got that. Very pretty. These are perfect to take to work. Fit in my pocket a lot better than the full-size ones. Perfect. No complaints. This I'm complaining about, though. Not too happy about that. But whatever. This is the Invisibobble. I'm sure everybody has seen these before. This says it's $9 for these. There are 3 of them in there. I've never tried these, so I guess I can't knock it. My hair is very thick, so I don't know that these are going to hold it. So let me just try. Let me humor myself and see if they actually will hold my hair. So they are very stretchy. To me, it's like one of those old school key ring things. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to pull my hair. Okay, maybe it will hold my hair. Yeah, I guess it would. Ow. And it's definitely, I don't know. I don't like it. Ow. It's pulling my hair. I don't like it. I would much rather just use my hair tie. Okay, I can't get it out now. Okay, now it's stuck. And I'm not going to sit here and try to get it out on the video. And now I end up saying words I shouldn't be saying on a video. So the next thing, not happy about that. It just says, you know, without snagging. Are you serious? It says these stronghold hair ties keep your pony in place without snagging. Their smooth spiral design allows for even pressure so they won't crease your hair. So maybe it won't crease your hair, but it's definitely stuck in my hair right now. Okay, a little upset. So the next item is a repeat. I have gotten this in Birchbox, and I've gotten it recently in Birchbox. So I'm not too happy about that. And I just threw it across the room. I'm sorry, I'm leaning down. So I'm not too happy about that. This is, where is the description? Is it the same thing? I think it's the same thing. So it says number 4, Super Comb Prep and Protect, full size, $32. Shield your hair from heat and UV rays with this leave-in conditioner and detangling mist made with hydrators like black currant and soy yogurt. Spritz onto hair and comb through. I don't know if this, it's this brand that I definitely got. Okay, let's spray it on the hair here. I don't know. I love leave-in conditioners, so maybe it's not what I got, because the other one's still sitting in the drawer, and I think it was something you had to mix. Same brand, though. Okay, so, okay, not complaining. I was complaining, but I'm not complaining about that now. I can't make my mind up. All right, so this is Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. And it is a perfume. Full size, $135. This allergen-free minimalistic scent has a single note. Elegant. Spicy. CETALOX. Don't know what that means or how to pronounce that. That's weird. Not a perfume, and it definitely is a perfume. So, I'm scared to spray this. Actually, it's not too strong. It's actually something I probably would wear. So, okay, not knocking this, but I would definitely not pay, what did I say? $135 for a full-size one? Absolutely not. No, never in a million years would I pay that much for a perfume. Nope, not doing it. Okay, so on to the next thing, and this is Balance Cream Natural Skin Care Congested Skin Serum. That's a mouthful. Okay, and that is what that is, and it says it is $23 for a full size of this, and it's this calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment, refines pores, and balances skin without drying it. Apply a thin layer to cleanse skin or directly onto any blemishes. It says it's a Birchbox favorite. So, and it has little things. So this thing, the Invisible, says new to Birchbox. The Juliet Has a Gun thing is a Birchbox favorite. The MAC Cosmetics, a Birchbox favorite. And number 4, that hair conditioner thing is a Birchbox favorite. Just saying, because those little black things is what that says. So, I mean, it's a serum. Definitely give it a try. And then we have one more thing in the box. And this is from Kiehl's. This is actually a really good brand. I do love Kiehl's. And it is Rare, and this is a Birchbox favorite. Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. Full size is $23, and this is 1 ounce. And it says, made with exotic Brazilian clay from the mouth of Amazon. This cleanser removes dirt and toxins without drying out skin. So I have plenty of cleansers opened up right now. I'm not going to open this, but I mean, I'm not knocking it. It's a cleanser. It's Kiehl's, not a bad product. Okay. And then this bottom little piece says, we want your Birchbox to be a reminder to take care of yourself inside and out. The person on the front of your card is one of 6 we're featuring this month who has overcome an insecurity to feel more confident in her skin. See them all at birchbox.com/loveyou and share yours by tagging hashtag #ToLoveYou or #ToYouLoveYou. Okay, that's kind of cool and really cute. So let's recap the box. We have a stuck hair tie in my hair. So we have the Kiehl's. We have the repeat. I don't know that it's a repeat product. It's a repeat brand for sure. I think it's something different, like a deep conditioner or something that I got. We have a serum. We have the Not a Perfume perfume. And we have the lip gloss. So what do you think? I think Birchbox every month has a couple products in it that are good, that make it worth the box. So this and maybe this make the box for me. So that's worth the $13 for me. This, no, I don't know who wants these in my family, but I will be giving them to somebody. The perfume, okay. I'll probably get, 2 uses out of it. And the leave-in conditioner I'll use. So I'm not complaining. Only thing I'm complaining about is this, really. So let me go, I can't talk. Let me know what you guys think of the box down in the description, or in the comments. And do you guys still receive Birchbox? Did you give it up? Do you think that it's still worth holding on to? I don't know. I'm kind of undecided on what I want to do. There's another box that had come out that's a $20 box that I'm thinking about getting. And if I do that, I will definitely be dropping Birchbox, because to me, there's better boxes for better money out there. So I will be probably doing that. We'll see. Let me know what you think in the comments. And guys, that's it. So I will see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.